Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix location sharing is not enabled on this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on location. After click on location, click on CR and click on maps. After click on maps, if you want to fix location sharing is not enabled, so click on allow all the time. After click on allow all the time, go back and you will see click on app permissions. After click on app permission, click on maps and click on allow all the time and you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix location sharing is not enabled on this device with maps on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.